5 seconds. In coming to this decision, High Court was guided by the decision of the Punjab and Haryana High Court in the Sundar Sham Kanpur and ORS versus Honorable Chief Justice and ORS 1987 for SLR 460. On the basis of this judgment, Chief Justice Punjab and Haryana High Court had directed that the petitioners therein were entitled to the benefit of redesignation and equation of the post of senior translators and junior translators from 23/1/1975. It was conceded before the High Court that since, as per policy and practice, the state government was adopting the pay scale sanctioned for the officers and servants of the Punjab and Haryana High Court, and accordingly the Chief Justice of the High Court had similarly recommended for the redesignation and equation of the post in question from 23/1/1975. The aforesaid judgment of the Punjab and Haryana High Court in Sundar Sham Kanpur's case supra has been reversed by this court in Punjab and Haryana High Court, Chandigarh, through its registrar versus Sundar Sham Kanpur and ORS 1997-9 SCC. The respondents before us are employees working in the establishment of the High Court as senior translators and junior translators. They are governed by the Himachal Pradesh High Court officers and servant salaries, leave allowance and pension rules 1971 for short the rules. Similar posts in the establishment of the Punjab and Haryana High Court are governed by Punjab and Haryana High Court establishment, appointment and conditions of service rules 1973. Relevant provisions of these rules of Punjab and Haryana High Court were given effect in that High Court WEF 25/9/1985 as per notification dated 23/1/1986 after receiving approval of the President of India under clause of Article 229 read with Article 231 of the Constitution. As a result, posts of senior translators were redesignated as revisers and equated with the posts of superintendent grade second in the establishment of the Punjab Civil Secretariat. Similarly, posts of junior translators were redesignated as translators and equated with the posts of assistant in the establishment of the Punjab Civil Secretariat. Consequent upon the redesignation of these posts in Punjab and Haryana High Court, these posts were similarly redesignated equated in the High Court by the Chief Justice after obtaining approval from the Governor of the state. That was by notification dated 17/6/1987. Respondents were given their new designations and scale of pay from 25/9/1985. Subsequently, notification dated 23/1/1986 issued by the Punjab and Haryana High Court was superseded by another notification dated 8/10/1987 whereby Punjab and Haryana High Court establishment, appointment and service conditions rules 1973 were given effect from 23/1/1975 instead of 25/9/1985. This was done there because of the decision of the Punjab and Haryana High Court in the case of Sundar Sham Kanpur's case supra as above mentioned. However, on that basis, respondents represented to the Chief Justice of the High Court to allow them similar benefits from 23/1/1975. Their case was recommended by the Chief Justice to the state government for obtaining approval of the Governor of the state for redesignation equation of the posts of senior translators and junior translators from 23/1/1975 instead of 25/9/1985. Since no approval was received from the Governor of the state as recommended by the Chief Justice of the High Court, the respondents filed writ petition in the High Court under Article 226 of the Constitution for redressal of the grievance. By the impugned judgment, High Court agreed with their stand. The state of Punjab was reorganized into states of Punjab, Haryana, and Himachal Pradesh to begin with, was a union territory and was given the status of full statehood in 1970. Since employees of the composite states of Punjab were taken in various departments of the state of Himachal Pradesh in order to safeguard the seniority pay scales, etc., the state of Himachal Pradesh followed the Punjab pattern of pay scales. After attaining the status of full statehood, High Court of Himachal Pradesh formulated its own rules and regulations for its employees. It is adopted the pattern of Punjab and Haryana High Court rules of their employees. When Punjab and Haryana High Court gave effect to certain portion of its rules from 25/9/1985 by notification dated 23/1/1986, as a result of which redesignation of the posts of senior translators and junior translators were equated to the posts in Punjab Civil Secretariat, the Himachal Pradesh High Court similar effect was given to it in rules for the employees. When the Punjab and Haryana High Court gave effect to those rules from 23/1/1975, the state government did not agree to the recommendations of the Chief Justice of the Himachal Pradesh High Court to follow the same suit. It is true that till now Himachal Pradesh High Court has been following the rules applicable to the employees of the Punjab and Haryana High Court, and it may go on following those rules as may be amended by the Punjab and Haryana High Court from time to time, but certainly it is not bound to so follow. No law commands the state government to follow the rules applicable to the employees of the Punjab and Haryana High Court to the employees of the Himachal Pradesh High Court. That being the position, it is not necessary for us to examine different qualifications for appointment to the posts of senior translator and junior translators that may exist between Punjab and Haryana High Court and the Himachal Pradesh High Court, and also as to the mode of their recruitment placement in the service. Moreover, any change in the pay scales following Punjab and Haryana High Court can set in motion chain reaction for other employees, which may give rise to multiplicity of litigation among various categories of employees. Rule of each high court have to be examined independently. There cannot be any such law that Himachal Pradesh High Court has to suo motu follow the same rule as applicable to the employees working in the Punjab and Haryana High Court